Welcome back if you watched the last one. Welcome to new people to Rainworld. I don't recommend watching the last one. The audio really sucked. But currently, oh yeah, by the way, spoilers because that's where we are. We're at a very spoiler heavy point. I forgot he comes in. Should be leaving soon. Pretty sure there's a second one as well. This game has beautiful scenery. Once again, I'm gonna say it again, spoiler warning, because this is gonna go heavy on the spoilers really early. Oh, there's a spear right there, I'll keep that in mind. This view is always amazing, I gotta say it. I can never not like this view, it's just so good. Oh, he's here, do I do that? Yeah, that would be a lot of spoilers for one video. Here's the jump that I don't like doing. This is really annoying to pull off. Oh! Did it first try. It's crazy. I'm not gonna want to throw another spear. The 2 spears is already a lot for this. Yeah, there we go. And free spear. Yeah, the scenery in this game, it just works. The background here, really good. Hopefully the audio is better on this one than the last one. Oh, I didn't even realize I'm leaving dust when I fall. Interesting. You know, like the scene in, I think it's Halo 4, that is kind of similar to that part of like the Death Star in Star Wars, where they're just going through that little crevice. That's what this kind of reminds me of a little bit. And now we are away from from that, but the fun part. Welcome to Five Pebbles. That's the name of the area. This looks different than I remember. I don't remember all this yellow. Do remember that though. Dude, it's the fun part. Oh wait, no, you go this way first. A lot of blue. I just gotta keep a hold here. This is really annoying. Hey yo, editing me here. Hence, like, the change in audio, probably a lot worse. This part got really, like, laggy and glitchy and all that stuff, so I put a jump cut in, so that just explained this cut. Okay, looks like my frames have stabilized. But final spoiler warning. This is heavy spoilers. What's up ahead? Just this singular part. So like, leave if you haven't. And like played the game. This is just major spoilers. Hello. And I like got my head. It would be really funny if I. Hey, get it lower, please. Please, I'm gonna. Ah. Oh. Okay, I didn't know you would do that. Okay, I gotta do all that stuff again. That's funny. Well, still heavy spoiler warning. I'm just gonna go to an area that has spoilers anyways before I go there. That's really funny. I'm pretty sure the spears are gonna be reset because I died during that part. Sir, can you like not? No. Just yeah, go home. It's crazy. I didn't know that I didn't know that would happen. I don't know the tech for this. Doesn't matter. Get to look at the cool scenery again. Yippee! Yeah, the spears are reset. Should I do that? You know what, I'll do that. This is the only time it's gonna come up in this playthrough anyways. Heavy spoilers for the thing on the other side of the pipe if you somehow didn't care about the last spoiler warning. Well, here we go. Little mystery. Yeah, I was hoping he would have the dialogue. I don't know what causes him to not have dialogue. I'm pretty sure he's supposed to speak. It's one of the 3 guys I've encountered before. Oh, hey. Yeah, you're not gonna follow, you're a coward. Oh, no, you are. You juked, idiot. I'd like to kill one of those eventually. Gotta go back through, isn't he? No, he's not. Just don't scared me. Thought there was gonna be a spider, and that just scared the hell out of me. Well, there's a spear I threw in the wall when I was fighting that spider, though. So, like, I just hope there's not another spider. No spear there. Ugh, I'm gonna have to go all the way back down. Fun. But hey, third look at the view. I hate this jump so bad. Oh, there we go. I'm getting better at that. It used to take me like in like 10 minutes to do that. At least it's fast to go down. I'm gonna learn my lesson though. I'm not gonna throw a spear at him. Because in hindsight, I was pretty dumb. Yeah, I sure wonder how he will react if I throw a spear at him. I didn't even know they had something coded for that. Is that the tech? I don't know. I don't know the tech. Rockin' spear. take that off. Uh, yeah, here's that Star Wars looking scene again, or that Halo 4 part. And then we go inside out of there again. This time not getting myself killed. Like obviously this isn't underground, but it has the aesthetic of it. It's cool aesthetic, I'll give it that. Everything in this game just looks amazing. If anyone has any ideas of anything to try out, I'm all ears. I was thinking of putting Minecraft on here, as in like a continuous safe thing to do. That's sunlight? I've always gone here during like the nighttime because I always just like do the entirety of the wall in one sitting. Oh, there we go. Pipe first try. Throw a spear. Hello again. Oh, well, I forgot that's how the flowers work. Pretty useful. I got myself a rope. You gonna do it? You gotta fill my mind with unimaginable knowledge? Doc, I don't understand you. Can you do the thing? What? Why are you doing this? You never do this. I never seen this happen. The hell? Whoa. What? Huh? What? Oh yeah, you definitely never done this before. Oh, maybe you have. You gonna do your thing? Oh, it's grabbing me now. That took a bit. Thank you. I want my spear and my rope. Yes, it is, Pebs. No, you don't. Okay, he has a god complex. Yada yada yada. Head to farm arrays. Go to subterranean. I know the deal. Isn't there a way through drainage now in Downpour? Not that it would take that. I would never want to go through drainage, but like, actually, I'm gonna go through drainage anyways. I'm gonna go to the other spot in this run. Extends this playthrough a little bit, but also like, you know. Uh, help me! Now we go home. Now we do a little thing called backtracking. Ow. Oh, I don't want this. Give me the other one. Thank you. Nice win. And super jump. My super jump. No, it's gone. No. What will I ever do? Oh, you're not even giving me the timer. I'm guessing it's gonna be night then. I hate seeing the blue in the walls. Turn my— oh wow, that looks good. That looks cool. Never seen it in the dark before. Ow. Gonna pop faster? Bunch of hunky dory happened. Crazy. My god, and you told me to kill myself. That's crazy. It's one hell of a title, that's for sure. Wouldn't use that though, that would get age restricted fast. Oh, damn, there's the survivor. That's the name of the campaign! Oh! wiggle. Now I go home. ET phone home. Can I have a rock at least? No? The path I'm gonna take here, I have no idea how to get onto the path I want to take, but like, oh, hold up, rock. New experiences, I guess. Yeah, fun. Oh, this is a good song. Which one is this? Sundown? Wait, what are... Sir? Yes, leave. Need to go this way. How did you even get here? Oh! I'm gonna kill you. Come back here. Gonna be my first lizard kill. Well, white lizard kill. Killed a bunch of lizards already. Oh, he fell. He's hurting. He's a hurting boy. Is it really only 2 for this guy? That would be lame. I can't, I got no time to question it. Ow! Forgot to grab the bowl. Yeah. I need to grab the bats. Oh, don't run. I'm gonna eat you, don't run. Ow. Ooh! Get wrecked, nerd. He didn't see it coming, not at all. Yes, I know you're right there. Oh yeah, I forgot there's fruit over here. Fast way down. There's always a white lizard. Yeah, there he is. How should I handle this? He ate my spear! Son of a gun! No! Oh man, he's gonna drop me, isn't he? You should like drop me or get in a fight with the blue lizard. Oh. No, you didn't see him, no! Or Get caught in the pole plant. No. No. You're boring. Yes, drop me. Man. Oh, his home is all the way at the top. Yeah, there it goes. That's how it'd be. If he didn't eat my spear, I would have been fine. I'm gonna get my flower back. And there's got to be a white lizard right at the end. I'm pretty sure. Probably doesn't change. I mean, he could do something a little bit different on my way to get there, but like, better hope. I want that kill. Don't scare me like that. Get off the circle. Yo, you think you're smart? You're so smart over there. Oh, he went in the pipe. Come on, you got it. Here you come. You got it. No! Yes. He's gonna come back. Oh no, he's trying to run. He's, he's having the time. Yeah, he's dead. Big bats, though. Makes things faster. Always fun. Don't want to die from that fall. Ow. Ow. There it is. How much time do I got? Oh, I got time. I just hope that Blizzard doesn't take the same spot last time. You just went for it, huh? It's on the move. Okay, yeah, he went. Oh! Nice try. Oh, man. They're gonna have a fight. Come on. Hey, I see you. Man. Now I go. Can't believe that rock missed. So unfortunate. That would have been really funny. Oh! I didn't even realize there was a drop wig right there. That could have been bad. Scared the hell out of me. Probably grab that rock. And we are at the bottom. Well, almost. Still a little bit more to go. I'm playing it safe now. I can make it to the shelter just fine from here. The lizards hate him for this one simple trick. Is that the same drop wig that had the bomb in my last part? So remember, there was a drop wig that was just casually carrying around a bomb, and I was so confused. Yeah, I did kill that white lizard. Crazy. Anyways, I think I'm gonna pick up Nomad here soon. Now we're at Chimney. Depending on timing, I could probably get through Industrial. Then we're back at Outskirts, and then from there I'm gonna go to Chimney, probably. Or I could just try to go towards ending the run. Actually, wait a minute. No, I need to go top here. You can't do the jump otherwise. Well, this one I don't even need a pounce for. I could just do that. Nope. Oh, hey! Hey, how you doing, buddy? Oh, hey. No. God, that's scary as hell. Okay, I'm fine. Out of danger. Ow. Oh, another lizard. Well, now I just lost all my gear. Most of it. Oh, oh man, this is not the best situation to be in. Me in. Thank you. Hey, the rock. Hello. Okay, here we go. No! Oh, there's the death pit. Oh, man. I should probably just call this right here. More shorter one, but like, it's probably better for the thing. Did get Survivor. I think I'm gonna get Nomad. I'm surprisingly close on Dragon Slayer if I just kill Green Pink and just one more from there. I didn't realize you didn't have to kill every single type of lizard for Dragon Slayer. I might actually do that. That might be the first challenge. I'm, I'm gonna turn this from more playthrough, more challenge. I meant less playthrough, more challenge, because I've already played through the game. It's not really, it's probably not the most fun thing to watch someone who already played the game play the game again. But that was fun. What is that one? The Wanderer? I think that's visit every zone. It's a lot of zones. What? Oh, that's the Secret Boy one. Anyways, I could use a passage to get to outskirts, but that's boring. And yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. More post editing me here. There's either three things I plan on doing, as stated before. There's either I can take this into a challenge run, a playthrough run, or I could just end it here. I'm thinking now that I look back at it, I should probably just end it here because the whole point of this is to just like shed more light on the game, even if it's just like very small amounts, and then I could probably move on to other things if I wanted to. Maybe like playing games with my friends. That would probably be more fun. But like, uh, just want to know what people think.